Alright, magandang araw na ho sa lahat natin ng mga viewers Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao all over the world. Welcome naman sa ating panibagong video, panibagong reaction, mga ka-action, mga kakampeng. Una sa lahat, pagpasensyahan nyo muna, wala ho tayong live kahapon at ngayon, gawa ng nagkaroon ng technical problem ang aking wifi. So ito, nagre-record lang po ako ng video at pagkatapos ho nito ay ina-upload ko po sa aking kapitbahay gawa ng nakakunik naman ako sa wifi nila. Kaya wala ho muna tayong live. Pero kung maayos na ho itong ating wifi, agad-agad ho magla-live ho tayo. So, pag-usapan lang ho natin o gusto ko lang magbigay ng reaction or opinion ko doon kahapon sa nasabing hearing sa Committee on Justice na pinangungunahan ni Congresswoman District Jinky Luistro. So alam naman po natin ang naging subject sa nasabing hearing, clarificatory hearing or clarification, 'di ba? So ang layunin ng nasabing clarificatory hearing, alamin kung may sapat ba na basihan or pagbibigay linaw itong mga akusasyon ni Ramil Madriaga laban kay Sara Duterte. Kumbaga, aalamin nila kung doon nila kung ito ba ang mga sinasabi ni Ramil Madriaga laban kay Sara, kung ito ba ay may sapat na basihan. For short, ito ba ay pagbibigay linaw. Okay? Ang problema, may gusto sanang magpa-impress or magpasikat ang isang congressman. Pero alam naman po natin kung saan siya nakapanig, 'di ba? So, ang problema kasi sa kanyang presentation, kaya lagi siyang sablay at nasusupalpal kasi nga yung mga katanungan niya, no, hindi naman related sa nasabing clarificatory hearing sa Committee on Justice. Kumbaga, hindi po kasali. Ito kasi pabalik-balik lang ho itong congressman na ito. Kumbaga, nagpapaipal. Ito ho, mga ka-action, mga kakamping. Panoorin natin at pakinggan.
Take it to mean that despite the approval of the chair to allow Mr. Madriaga to leave the House premises, I'm still allowed to make a manifestation?
So long as
Regarding
it
the
is
witness.
relevant to the subject matter of this impeachment hearing.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, madam.
You may proceed.
Two manifestations, ma'am. Number one is to present public records as to the background of the witness. Just
So-
information about the witness.
If that pertains to the credibility of resource person Ramil Madriaga, I will have to prevent you. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.
Not really about the credibility, ma'am, but about the character of the witness.
The character and the credibility
identity
are
of the
one and the
witness.
same.
Yes, ma'am, if I may be allowed.
And therefore, you are not allowed because character is credibility.
Ma'am, if I may clarify, prior to this hearing, I saw reports that you said that the purpose of this hearing is to test the credibility of Mr. Madriaga, but now we are now denying
At least
The
with
objective of
respect
this
to the
hearing.
contents of the affidavit.
affidavit.
So long as it is contained in the affidavit, then we are confined in the limitations of a clarificatory hearing.
So ang manifestation, ma'am, should be confined only to the
We can test the
directive of the chair.
credibility so long as it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
limited to the contents
Okay, ma'am.
of the affidavit.
Then I will go to the second manifestation.
Okay.
This is also regarding the affidavit itself.
Okay, you may proceed.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I have carefully reviewed the written testimony, and I am compelled as member of this House and as a representative of the Filipino people to formally place on the record observations that I believe this committee must confront before it receives, admits, or gives any weight to this document. The issues I will raise go not merely to credibility, but it is about the content of the affidavit itself. Number one, Madam Chair, I respectfully submit the following. Number one, the testimony is entirely uncorroborated and rests solely on the word of a detained criminal suspect.
You are touching on the credibility again.
Ma'am, but
And
this is
please,
about
It has
the
been amply discussed, Honorable Marcoleta, that even suspects are presumed innocent. Hindi pa po convicted si Ramil Madriaga, and he is entitled to that presumption. So let us refrain from making reference to the fact that he is detained in going against the contents of the affidavit.
ano lang po ang pwede kong sabihin, ma'am?
Anything that is about,
Ang
that is
nangyayari kasi
contained
dito,
in the affidavit.
ang gusto lang pong mapakinggan dito kay kung ano lang naayon sa mga miyembro dito. Paano po yung mga
You
posisyon
are-
naman na nasa kabila?
You're making mention about the fact that he is a detainee because of your intention to question his credibility. As you have said,
Ma'am,
you want to
if I may be
tackle
allowed
his
to finish the
character.
statement. It's
Yes.
just, the one I mentioned is just a title. I'm not even going to the body of my manifestation, ma'am. Ano, title pa lang po ang sinasabi ko. I'm being prevented
All right,
from
please
speaking.
proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair. The written testimony makes sweeping and dramatic claims about alleged high-level private suspect containing sweeping and unverified allegations of
You are touching
assassination.
again on the credibility of the resource person. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.
Madam Chair, I move to strike from the records the remarks of Representative Marcoleta
There is a
pertaining to
motion to
credibility
strike
of the
out from
witness.
the record pertaining to the statements pertaining to the credibility of the witness. Is there any second? Same has been seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Please strike out from the record all statements of the Honorable Marcoleta pertaining to the credibility of resource person Ramil Madriaga.
Baka po walang matira doon, mama. Sana yung final lang kasi
Please
Wala nang-
understand
at
that
least the
issues
Filipino
concerning
people are watching
credibility
kahit na pina-strike out niyo yung mga
must be
statements ko.
raised in the trial
Ma'am,
and not in this clarificatory
when you were
hearing.
interviewed before the media, ma'am, sinabi nyo you're here to test the credibility
Please
of the
confine
witness.
your
Madam Chair,
manifestation
point of
to what
order.
is happening in this proceeding.
Madam Chair, point
The
of
Honorable
order.
Diaz Suarez.
Are you backpedaling?
With the permission of Congressman Marcoleta, I think we've given the gentleman enough and sufficient time to
Ayan mga DDS. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, hindi ko ho ito alam. Ngayon ko lang ho nalaman. Akala ko ito si Ramil Madriaga, convicted na. Eh, hindi pa pala convicted. Kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy pa pala ang hearing nito, ang pag-uusig. So, tama lang ho. Wala ho talaga karapatan na questionin ang kanyang background. Di ba? Kasi hindi pa man pala ito convicted. O, narinig nyo ba yung sinabi ni Congressman District Jinky Luistro? Di ba? Gusto mo man magpaipal, magpapapil, Marcoleta, alam namin kung saan nakapanig ka. Kumbaga para sa akin, hindi ka patas. Di ba? Ngayon, alam mo pala na magkaparehas lang ang credibility at character. Bakit pilit ka pa ng pilit? Di ba? Isim lang yung dalawa na yan eh. Di ba? Kaya lagi ka lang nasusupalpal. Di ba? Gusto mong itry mo ang iyong mga gusto sabihin o pagtatanong? Eh, ang problema, isang batikan na abogado po yan. Si Congresswoman District Jinky Luistro. Kaya hindi ka ho talaga uubra dyan. At hindi ka talaga pahihintulutan niyan once na alam niya na out of ano naman ang iyong question sa naging subject ng hearing. Kumbaga, kung alam ni Congresswoman na hindi related yung pagtatanong mo, no, at hindi dapat itatanong dahil hindi naman yan ang pinag-uusapan, so barado ka talaga lagi. 'Di ba? Sige lang. Sige lang naman itong paipal ito si Marcoleta. Lagi ka naman basag. Sus Mariosip, mahiya ka na nga. Yun lang ho mga ka-action, mga kakamping no. Gin-share ko lang ho sa inyo yan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat natin ng mga viewers Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao all over the world. Ako po, ang inyong lingkod, si The Action Man. Have a good day, everyone.